Hello there, my name is Katie, and today I'm going to show you the improved behavior for gift cards when a recipient receives the gift card via email. Here I am looking at an email that Katie has received with her gift card for a deep tissue massage. When she clicks the Use button, it will open up the client web app and prompt her to either sign in or sign up if she is not a client already. So if this is a new client, they would simply click Sign Up, where they would then enter in their contact information to sign up with the business. They would be redirected to the billing page of their newly created client profile, where the gift card code would automatically be entered into the gift card redemption code box. But let's look at this whole process from Katie's profile, as she is a client at this business already. So Katie is going to sign into the client web app, where she is redirected to the billing and account page of her profile in the client web app. The gift card number is automatically entered into the gift card redemption box, where she can then click redeem to redeem that gift card. This improvement makes it easier than ever for clients to redeem those gift cards and try out services. And that's it for this training video. See you in the next one.